Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is 9 October 2024. You are watching on my YouTube channel for daily crypto updates. I am your host. I make today this video for Memefidailycombo Secret Combo reward. How to claim daily secret combo for Memefidailycombo daily task. Please watch and note carefully and follow my instruction. As you know guys, this game has secret tab for area. The number 1 is head area, number 2 chest, number 3 is stomach, and the last number 4 is leg area. Okay guys, follow my instructions. How to claim today's what is the today's code. Number 1 is first tab in leg area, second tab in chest area, again third tab in leg area, and fourth and last tab in chest area. Now we are applying today's code. Leg, chest, leg, chest. Leg means 4, chest means 2. Okay guys, we have successfully claimed today's reward. And note again today's code. What is the today's code of Memefi Secret combo reward? 4242. 4 means leg, 2 means chest, leg, chest. Okay guys, thanks for watching our YouTube video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and also press bell icon for daily crypto updates. For more crypto mining projects, please join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel, link provided in description. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.